Guys, andito na naman ako sa aming garden. Ayan. At kakatapos lang magtrabaho. Ayan, mainit siya guys. Sandali. Ayan. So, mataas pa yung araw. Is 10 past 5. Ayan. Marami ng... So, ayan guys. Ayan, lumalabas na yung onion. Ayan o, lumabas na siya. Lumabas ng kusa. So, ayan. Ow! Masakit. Ayan, masakit. Ayan, stinging nettle. Ayan, harvest na lang ito kasi lumabas na siya. Lumabas na sila. Ayan. Ayan. Onion. Yan, lumabas na kasi. So, sabi ni Joe, harvest na daw. So, harvest ko na lang. Ayan, malaki. Ito malaki. Yan. Tapos, yung iba, maliit. Ayan. Pero, at least, onion pa rin. Ayan. Tapos, dito. Ayan. Ayan. Meron pa. Ayan, maliit. Maliit. Meron ng courgette. Ayan. So, ayan. Yun ang onion muna. Ayan. Marami-rami din. Ayan. Mga 1 kilo. 2 kilo din yan. Ayan. So, dito is ayan, mga kamatis. Ayan. Yung garlic guys, oh, yun ang bunga ng garlic. Ano pala yung bulaklak ng garlic. Ayan. So dito is yung mga patatas. Ayan, lumalabas na sila. Yun, oh. Ano ko yan, siguro inano ng rabbit. Marami kasing rabbit dito guys. So ito, courgette. Ayan. Pwede yan isalad. Pero, ayan ko munang lumaki. Kasi, ayan, ayun o. Ayan o. Malaki o. Ayan. So, ito, ready na naman siya. Matamis. Ayan, matamis guys. Matamis. Ayan, kinain na ng rabbit. Kaya ha-harvest ko na yan. Kiyain siya. Talaga itong rabbit na to. Uunahan pa ako. Yan. Yun yung kinagat nila. Tapos mayroong isa dito. Yan. Yun, 2. Nag-harvest sa isang araw si Joe. Wala na kaming salad. Ayan, naubos na. Ayan, meron dito ho. Guys, Ayan, cucumber. Natin. Maliit pa lang. Pero baka kainin na ng ano. Kaya kuhanin ko na. Ayan. Beans yan, beans. So, walang salad. Ubos na. Yung carrots, kinain na yung ano, kinain yung dahon. Yan, sa loob. Yan. So, ito muna yung harvest of the day. Cucumber. Tsaka, we get the cucumber and the onion.
One of them is being packed, yeah?
Yeah, that one.
Yeah, the bottom one. At least the higher ones they can't reach.
Yeah. And there's so
But
many.
you did the onions already?
Yeah.
That's where it's the October.
No, it's already come out.
Right.
See? You told me to harvest it
Yeah,
last
and then
time.
after that I check. It says October.
So you got talong.
Oh. Where should I put this? Here? Or you think the rabbit will get it?
Rabbit will get it. You go inside.
Hmm.
Ayan ito guys. Bulaklak.
You pick spinach, Pan?
No, not today.
No.
Yan. Masarap to guys. Ito is para siyang how you call, peppery. Ayan. Naka-jacket ako dahil pag walang araw malamig. Na ako, nasipo na ako dahil sa mainit tapos malamig. Ayan. So ayan. Dito tayo. So, mayroon ditong rhubarb. Ayan, guys. Rhubarb. Pwede siyang niluluto sa dessert. Ayan. Pero, may nangangain yata. For something eating in this rhubarb.
Probably that bloody rabbit.
No. It's like a bug.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. And you spray. And so,
you need
ito,
to make garlic spray.
pwede na ito. Siguro. Tomorrow, we pick up this tomorrow.
Rhubarb?
Yeah.
Oh, it's red?
Yeah.
Oh.
Or maybe next week.
Yeah.
Because I don't think it's ready. Ayan. So, mayroon ditong beans. Broad beans, yeah?
String beans, I think.
String beans. Yeah.
Yeah, some are broad beans on this side.
Yeah.
The other ones are string beans and green beans.
Oh, okay. Yung spinach, guys. Ayan o. Malaki na sila. Pero hindi ako maggugulay ngayon. So, diyan ko lang muna. Ayan. Yung patatas, ayan. When we going to pick the potatoes?
September, October.
September and
Maybe
October.
End of August. From end of August to
Ayan.
October, I'd say.
Ayan, patatas yan, guys. So, ayan. That's the eggplant, aubergine.
Yeah. There's a big one in the greenhouse. A couple of big ones.
Keep it there.
Flowers. Yeah, hopefully they won't get eaten. You think there's enough space if I put that there? The
Yeah,
pepper.
yeah. Plenty. Pagkatapos dito, we going fishing, yeah?
Yeah, catching mackerel.
Yeah. Mauna muna ako
I think
kasi
it's open.
magdidilig pa si Joe. Ayan. I thought you're gonna put some more, oh no, they're eating my thing, Hal. Yung pichay ko, oh, ayan, wala na.
Yeah,
Patay na yung pichay.
some of it.
Didn't survive.
We'll make garlic tomorrow. Yeah, it survived.
No, it did already.
Where?
Ayan. Ito, pichay. They've been eating. I don't know.
Choy.
Yeah, the pak choy.
Yeah, some of it, but some survived.
Yeah. So, ayan.
So many pests here. That's the problem.
Can you take the onion and the harvest with you? Yeah?
It's not too heavy.
No. No, not so heavy. Oh, of course. See you in the house.
See you in a bit.
Alright, I got the key. Ayan guys. Uwi na. So ayan guys, mauna muna ako kasi
Check in the greenhouse.
no. Nagugutom na ako. Nakatapos.
Eggplants as well, something else.
Yeah, can we do tomorrow?
Yeah.
Ayan. So itong yung mga kahoy na to, ang lalaki na nila. Ang ano tawag, mahabong kasi sa amin tawag dabong. Ayan, malago. Ayan, malago. Tsaka dito ay guys, dito yung yun o, merong ano pa tawag nun? Stock pa tawag nun. Yung ibon na nangangain ng o ganid. Yung ibon na nangangain ng isda. Ayan, so punta muna tayo dito. Ayan, so yung Um, ang ganda ng ano, ng mga water lily. Ayan. May bulaklak. Yellow tsaka yung pink, white. Ayan, ayan. Pag winter guys, dyan lang yan sila. Pag summer sila lumalabas. Ayan. Marami din dito mga ibon, guinea fowl. Ayan. Tsaka pato. Ayan, maraming mallard. Ayan. So, ayan. Ganyan lang. Uwi na. Uwi na ako. Hi guys. Nandito na naman kami sa Heling Island. At nagpipishing si Joe. So, tingnan natin kung mayroong isda today. Ayan. Medyo mahangin. Ayan, mataas pa yung araw. Time check is, sandali mo natin na natin kung anong oras. Ayan. Ang oras, direct pa yung araw. Ayan. Ayan guys, maraming ibon, maraming siko. Nandyan yung makirel. Sana pumunta dito. Yeah, they're coming this way, Hal. So, ayan guys, na lowbat ako kaya picture na lang ang nakuha at dito ay may nahuli kaming 2 mackerel. Ayan. So, thank you for watching. Bye!